What's going on, guys? It's Andrew here with Fitment Industries. We are going to talk about the 5 top reasons to love your bagged vehicle. Now, of course, there's a whole massive list on why you should bag your car, what the hype's all about, but we basically picked the 5 top awesome reasons why you should get low today. Let's check it out. So let's talk about number 5, custom trunk setups. Now, one of the coolest things aside from seeing the vehicle actually aired out is a custom trunk. Why not spend your money on doing something a little bit creative? This is where you get to be the artist, if you will, to create absolutely something super awesome and unique. So whether you're on a budget or you have a ton of money to spend, the options are absolutely endless. Alcantara, carbon fiber, LED, hard lines, anything your mind can basically create. If you can get someone to make it for you, it can be done. You don't always have to spend a ton of money on this stuff. You just have to find the right person and be creative with your trunk setup. Now, of course, you can go super clean, or you can do something extremely crazy like the SEMA build trunks. The options are endless. Let's check out number 4. Ease of installation. So I chose this one because the kits are basically bolt-on. There's a ton of applications, and the best thing about this is the instructions. Nobody wants to screw around with crappy looking furniture instructions that don't show you what's going on. Airlift will give you a booklet for everything. Compressor, wire harness, the whole kit. And if you open this bad boy up, you have a full color diagram of how your whole kit goes together. So if you're a visual person like me, you can see where everything connects, and it's awesome. Now, what about replacement parts? There's a ton of replacement parts. Blow a bag, you can replace it. Need an extra brass fitting, which you should cruise around with them in your car just to make sure something goes wrong. I definitely had that happen to me. Extra leader lines, all that stuff. You can buy all the replacement parts, everything goes back together. So now, how does it bolt in? It's all pretty simple. Now, whether you have a hydraulic lift or just a hand jack like some people do, of course, install time can vary, but it basically all bolts in, wire it up to your liking, and you're ready to rock and roll. Let's go check out number 3. We're gonna talk about ride quality. I don't know why there's always this misconception that you get airlift and everyone's like, oh, the ride quality sucks, man, it must be terrible. No, it actually rides just like OEM. Now, of course, depending on where you have your presets, you could have the bags a little bit higher PSI or a little bit lower. Now, if I go a little bit lower, of course, now I'm not gonna have as much travel, of course, with it, and it gets a little bit bumpier, but it still rides absolutely amazing. And now you also have 3 inches of adjustability on the threads of the actual strut itself. And then if you get the Airlift Performance Series bags, you're gonna have adjustability with the dampers on the front and on the rear. So what does that mean to you? Well, essentially that means that you can adjust your ride quality as good, so as hard or as soft that you want. So you're basically in control of how you want your vehicle to ride. So don't let the other people tell you that you shouldn't bag your car. Definitely do it. Let's check out the next one. Drivability. Now, we all know that having a low car is certainly awesome. Now, what's our worst enemy? Low driveways. Of course they suck. Why wouldn't you want an air suspension system to simply lift up the vehicle and cruise up the driveway? Nobody wants to scrape off their expensive carbon fiber lips or be that guy that's stuck spinning wheels, being a meme in the next viral video. So simply find your preset, lift that bad boy up, and then you're ready to rock and roll and cruise into the driveway. Simple. Now, what's the number 1 reason to have a bagged vehicle? It's simply just to show it off. I mean, let's be honest, a lot of the mods that we do to our cars are aesthetic. You know, you don't always need the ginormous wing, the giant splitter, the wide body, things like that. So just enjoy having a lowered vehicle with your homies at car shows. One of the coolest things to do is simply pull up with your friends, squat out, air your car out, and enjoy it. So all in all, you spend a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of tweaking, making your car sit absolutely perfect for car shows, for photos. It's what we do, we're car guys. So thanks for watching. Those are 5 reasons to bag your vehicle. If you guys are on air, let us know what you think. And if you're considering air, cruise out to fitmentindustries.com. We will get you linked up with everything you need for your vehicle, bolt-on kits, extra parts, we got it all. Catch you guys until next time, peace.